With its extensive product range and proven technical consulting expertise in engineering as well as logistic management, the Bossard Group is an established leader in the international supply of product solutions and services in industrial fasteners and assembly technology. Bossard Malaysia and its employees provide assembly technology, application engineering solutions, and Industry 4.0 supply chain smart factory logistics for fastening products.
We actually started with limited resources. Most of the time, we actually leveraging from the support from other business units. And with our highly committed team, we actually earn a lot of trust from our customers through the time. And with that, our business have grown exponentially.
Bossard has endeavoured to become a trusted brand for assembly technology solutions worldwide and is now considered one of the market leaders in Europe, the Americas, and Asia Pacific.
To be a successful strategic and one-stop solution center in C-part management, building a good base of product solutions is very important. Only then we can ascertain the right solutions to cater our customer needs.
Appropriate choices in fastening solutions reduces assembly time and life cycle costs.
If customers want to know how to securely fasten the joint inside the product, we can offer a specific application test like torque test, friction tests, and etc. Ultimately, in Bossard, application engineers offering will be focusing on cost optimization, cycle time improvement to deliver Bossard promise, as in proven productivity.
Smart Factory Logistics in transforming both Industry 4.0 and Bossard by giving customers automated and innovative methods to manage as well as optimize inventory production.
We understand the challenges on our customers in managing C-parts. That's why we created Smart Factory Logistics. And today with Industry 4.0, Smart Factory Logistics give our customers fully transparent on the supply chain at any platform, anytime, anywhere, any devices, even on smartphone.
Welcome to Bossard Malaysia warehouse. Currently, our warehouse build-up area is 1,350 meters square with a loading capacity of 7 tons per meter square. With the organized storage systems, we always ahead in shipping arrangement.
Most importantly, we shouldn't stay complacent. We will continue to eye for better technology and solution which we can add value to our customer supply chain.